मतलब क्या, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim wa tu'izzu man tasha wa tuzillu man tasha. I'm Professor Dr. Arabella Bhutto, Vice Chancellor, SABS University of Art, Design and Heritages. Let me take an opportunity to summarize the entire journey of independence since August 1st till August 14, celebrated by SABS University. So let me tell you in short that what events we have planned and what we have executed under the banner of Bunyan al-Marsoos and Archive. The celebration at SABS University began with the presence of orphans from SOS Village. We invited SOS Village students and faculty who joined us, and under the marquee in the lawn of SABS University, we created the art pieces with those small children along with the students of SABS University. We had 16 feet long canvas in the lawn where individuals, all students from SOS as well as from the SABS University, made some paintings reflecting their own artwork. And then ultimately we combined all those pieces together and a wonderful piece of artwork was created from it. Then was followed by second day in which we organized a complete illumination of the SABS University by reflecting white and green lights and some other decoration with flags and balloons. Of the celebration, the faculty from the university and students from faculty visited Central Jail. In fact, Central Jail has three kinds of prisoners. They have a jail for men, they have a jail for women, and at the same time they have a jail for children. So faculty and students from SABS University visited the children prisoners, and with them they celebrated with balloons and flags and sweets, but then at the same time they painted two big walls for them. So they celebrated and enjoyed together. Celebration started with a city tour organized by SABS University. And my students from the university along with faculty members visited Press Club. At Press Club, in fact, they painted faces and hands of small children and big people too. A different kind of media approached, including GeoTV, Uptak, Times, Dawn, Jung. So they all interviewed my students and faculty members at Press Club.
अॼु जेको आहे असां आम जेके माण्हू आहिनि उन्हनि सां गॾु सेलिब्रेट करण आया आहियूं अॼु वारो ॾींहुं असां हिते जेको आहे रैली बि कढी आहे ऐं उन खां पोइ फेस पेंटिंग ऐं कैप्स इहे सभु गिफ्ट कया आहिनि ऐं ॾाढो मज़ो पियो अचे
असां सभिनि खे प्राउड फील थो कराए इन करे असां सभिनि खे ॿुधाइण था चाहियूं त असां केतिरा मतिलबु ख़ुशनसीब आहियूं जो असां हिन प्यारे से मुल्क में पैदा थिया आहियूं ऐं अॼु असां सभिनि खे ॿुधाइण था चाहियूं त असां सेब्स जी तरफ़ खां पाकिस्तान ते ॾाढा प्राउड आहियूं
followed up a courteous visit from my side to Lieutenant General retired Talat Masood. In fact, he was the defense analyst and I was privileged enough to see him and at the same time received his book with the title An Incredible Journey of Pakistan. It was then followed up by a visit to D Park, a very recently inaugurated lawn nearby bypass.
पाकिस्तान दिया होला 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 इतने बड़े जीवन सागर में तूने पाकिस्तान.
It was then followed up by a visit to 18th Division Cantonment, where there is a museum and our students learn from the history of that museum, but then at the same time we had an opportunity to pay tribute to the martyrs and shahadas, and where we had offered some flowers and wreaths.
कहे दिल से है जान से हम प्यारा पाकिस्तान.
चलो कि अहद करें दोस्ती निभाएंगे, मिसाल बन के ज़माने पे छा जाएंगे.
साया-ए खुदाए जुल्जलाल, तर्जुमाने माजी शाने हाल. साया-ए खुदाए जुल्जलाल.
Invited certain doctors from LUMS, and they came to us and they teach the students and faculty members about how to control certain pressures and tensions and stress during peace and war. It was a wonderful workshop organized by LUMS doctors.
हमारा दिल है पाकिस्तान, हमारी जान पाकिस्तान, खुदाए लम यज़ल का है बड़ा एहसान पाकिस्तान.
हमारा दिल है पाकिस्तान, हमारी जान पाकिस्तान, खुदाए लम यज़ल का है बड़ा एहसान पाकिस्तान.
है ये इस्लाम का मरकज़, ये गुलशन बहारों का, इसी के पाक ज़र्रों में लहू शामिल शहीदों का, इसी के पाक ज़र्रों में लहू शामिल शहीदों का.
An MOU with Sindh Emergency Rescue Services 1122, and we are really grateful to the CEO Brigadier Tariq, who facilitated us with this signature of MOU, and at the same time they parked the ambulance 1122 at the vicinity of SAIPS University. Shoro, Ghazanfar Qadri Saab, he also paid a visit to SABS University. He came over with his team and witnessed the work done by SOS Village students and the SABS students.
जब हमने खुदा का नाम लिया उसने हमको इनाम दिया मेरा इनाम पाकिस्तान मेरा पैगाम पाकिस्तान मोहब्बत अमन है
Then we had an opportunity to invite 6 universities for a tournament, for the table tennis tournament, and in which we witnessed vice chancellors from all universities gathered. We have invited students from Mehran University, from LUMS, from GC, from ISRA, and from Sindh University. So they all participated along with the students of SABS University, and we all vice chancellors enjoyed this game too.
पल का ये जीवन है कुछ करना है तो कर गुजरो हर लम्हा बस उड़ना है आसमानों से यारी कर लो के ऊंची बहुत ऊंची
As other universities are also celebrating, we at SABS University also went through the essay competition, Milli Nagma competition, poetry competition and Mushaira competition. And the students of SABS University have really taken a lot of pain and a lot of work during all these competitions. It was then followed up by certificate distributions and some gift distributions among them.
ऊंचा रहेगा ये झंडा तेरा तेरी हिफाजत है जज्बा मेरा ऊंचा
बमबानत दुश्मन का सामना किया तो फिर अब भी मेरे मुहाफिज कैसे खामोश थे
Welcome to the Independence Day celebration of SABS University. Today we celebrate the spirit of Pakistan with pride in our hearts.
It was then followed up by a plantation drive, and let me share with you that we only planted different kind of fruits. We have in fact organized 5 acres of land dedicated for the plantation of fruits at SABS University. That includes pomegranate, chiku, mango and some other fruits too.
प्यारा वतन प्यारा वतन प्यारा 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 वतन प्यारा वतन प्यारा वतन प्यारा 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 वतन पाक है सरजमी पाक सारा चमन ऐ वतन मेरे प्यारे वतन पाक है सरजमी पाक सारा चमन ऐ वतन मेरे प्यारे वतन.
We again went out to city and we visited Sir CJ Institute of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences, and there we had a chance to interact with certain patients who were there under the treatment. We learned the possibility of interacting with those patients, but we also learned that how after signing MOU, we as a student and faculty of Art and Design University can serve them better in their rehabilitation.
SABS यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर अरबेल जमीला भुट्टो को और उनके तमाम आए हुए साथ मेहमानाने गिरामी को PU सेंटर में खुशामदीद कहते हैं।
कुव्वत, ताकत, जुर्रत, हिम्मत, जज्बा, मेहनत जिनकी अलामत है, ऐसा मेरा देश है, ऐसे मेरे लोग।
पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान
आग सरज़मीं शादबाद, आग सरज़मीं शादबाद। उकाब की तरह जियो, शेर की मानद लड़ो, मेरे वतन के पुरस्कार बंदो, झपटना पलटना पलट।
After that, we had an opportunity to invite Major General Yahya Usman Gondal Sahab, GOC 18 Division, who in fact along with his team visited SABS University and engaged with a very healthy dialogue and interactive talks with the students.
की क़यादत करना है, मिल्लत की हिफाजत करना है, अल्लाह की नियाबत करना है, अफ़ज़ाल करे तजदीद वफ़ा। पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? तकमीले पाकिस्तान करे, पूरा अहदो पैमान करे, इंसाफ की ऊंची शान करे, हर जुल्म को दे पैगाम फना।
Then faculty of SABS University and students, they travelled to Tharparkar and there they participated in already organized Azadi Thar Mela with their live sketches, their poetry work, flag painting and other activities.
मिल्लत की हिफाजत करना है, अल्लाह की नियाबत करना है, अफ़ज़ाल करे तजदीद वफ़ा। पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह।
Then finally, we concluded the celebrations on 14 August with flag hosting at SABS University of Art, Design and Heritages. So I really had an opportunity to share this entire summary and really feeling excited giving the detail of every minute program. Thank you very much for being with me.
आज मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि सोवेनियर शॉप जो कि सैब्स यूनिवर्सिटी की ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहाँ से आप अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वुड हैव टू गो टू द लिंक shops.sabsu.edu.pk। इसके फौरी पेज पर पहुँच जाएंगे। यहाँ पर आते ही प्रोडक्ट में आप सेलेक्ट करेंगे अजरक आर्ट में। जैसे ही आप आएंगे यहाँ पर पहला लिंक है जो है कस्टमाइज अजरक। 14 अगस्त की मुनासिबत से ये वाला कुछ कस्टमाइजेशन भी करवा सकते हैं और इसकी डिटेल देखने के लिए यहाँ पर से आप चीज़ें पढ़ सकते हैं। उसके बाद आप अपनी क्वांटिटी सेलेक्ट करने के बाद ऐड टू कार्ट पर क्लिक करेंगे और ये वाले बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो यह आपको बिलिंग डिटेल्स पर लेकर आ जाएगा, जहाँ पर अगर आपके पास कोई कूपन है तो उसको अप्लाई कर सकें, वरना प्रोसीड टू चेकआउट। आपसे आपकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स और फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन मांगी जाएगी, उसको फिल आउट कर दीजिए। बैंक ट्रांसफ़र करवाना चाहते हैं या फिर कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, सो आई वुड गो फॉर कैश ऑन डिलीवरी एंड प्लेस योर ऑर्डर। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। आई होप कि आपको पूरा प्रोसीजर समझ में आ गया होगा कि किस तरीके से आप shops.sabsu के थ्रू ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।